Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kakachin channel. Learning English in Bahasa Indonesia. Today we're going to study some vocabularies in the form of substitution drills, that is to change word or words in a sentence. Let's start the lesson now. Substitution drills. Listen and repeat.
Latihan penggantian kata. Dengar dan ulangi.
Checkup, a medical checkup, a physical examination, an eye examination, an annual physical exam. I went to see my doctor for checkup yesterday. I went to see my doctor for a medical checkup yesterday. I went to see my doctor for a physical examination yesterday. I went to see my doctor for an eye examination yesterday. I went to see my doctor for an annual physical exam yesterday.
Check up medis, periksa mata, pemeriksaan fisik tahunan. Saya pergi ke dokter untuk check up kemarin. Saya pergi ke dokter untuk check up medis kemarin. Saya pergi ke dokter untuk periksa mata kemarin. Saya pergi ke dokter untuk pemeriksaan fisik tahunan kemarin.
Overweight, underweight, nearsighted, farsighted. The doctor discovered that I'm a little overweight. The doctor discovered that I'm a little underweight. The doctor discovered that I'm a little nearsighted. The doctor discovered that I'm a little farsighted.
Kelebihan berat badan, kurus, rabun dekat, rabun jauh. Dokter menemukan bahwa saya sedikit kelebihan berat badan. Dokter menemukan bahwa saya sedikit kurus. Dokter menemukan bahwa saya sedikit rabun dekat. Dokter menemukan bahwa saya sedikit rabun jauh.
Took my blood pressure, took my temperature, listened to my heart, examined my eyes, tested my hearing, prescribed some medicine for me. He gave me a chest X-ray and took my blood pressure. He gave me a chest X-ray and took my temperature. He gave me a chest X-ray and listened to my heart. He gave me a chest X-ray and examined my eyes. He gave me a chest X-ray and tested my hearing. He gave me a chest X-ray and prescribed some medicine for me.
Mengukur tekanan darah saya, mengukur suhu saya, mendengarkan jantung saya, memeriksa mata saya, menguji pendengaran saya, memberi resep obat untuk saya. Dia meronsen dada dan mengukur tekanan darah saya. Dia meronsen dada dan mengukur suhu tubuh saya. Dia meronsen dada dan mendengarkan detak jantung saya. Dia meronsen dada dan memeriksa mata saya. Dia meronsen dada dan menguji pendengaran saya. Dia meronsen dada dan memberi resep obat untuk saya.
These pills, these capsules, 2 aspirin tablets, penicillin, this medicine. He told me to take these pills every 4 hours. He told me to take these capsules every 4 hours. He told me to take 2 aspirin tablets every 4 hours. He told me to take penicillin every 4 hours. He told me to take this medicine every 4 hours.
Pil ini, kapsul ini, 2 tablet aspirin, penisilin, obat ini. Dia menyuruh saya minum pil ini setiap 4 jam. Dia menyuruh saya minum kapsul ini setiap 4 jam. Dia menyuruh saya minum 2 tablet aspirin setiap 4 jam. Dia menyuruh saya minum penisilin setiap 4 jam. Dia menyuruh saya minum obat ini setiap 4 jam.
Can be cured, will get well soon, will be up and around soon, will feel better next week. Do you think the patient can be cured? Do you think the patient will get well soon? Do you think the patient will be up and around soon? Do you think the patient will feel better next week?
Bisa sembuh, akan segera bangun, akan merasa lebih baik minggu depan. Apakah menurut Anda pasien itu bisa sembuh? Apakah menurut Anda pasien itu akan segera sembuh? Apakah menurut Anda pasien itu akan bangun dan berjalan dengan segera? Apakah menurut Anda pasien itu akan merasa lebih baik minggu depan?
Operated on, performed surgery on, prescribed medicine for, performed a successful operation on. They operated on him last night. They performed surgery on him last night. They prescribed medicine for him last night. They performed a successful operation on him last night.
Operasi, melakukan operasi pada, memberi resep obat untuk melakukan operasi yang berhasil pada. Mereka mengoperasinya tadi malam. Mereka melakukan operasi padanya tadi malam. Mereka memberi resep obat untuknya tadi malam. Mereka melakukan operasi yang sukses padanya tadi malam.
A blood transfusion, a major operation, a minor operation, first aid, a good night's sleep. He needed a blood transfusion. He needed a major operation. He needed a minor operation. He needed a good night's sleep.
Transfusi darah, operasi besar, operasi kecil, pertolongan pertama, tidur nyenyak. Dia membutuhkan transfusi darah. Dia membutuhkan operasi besar. Dia membutuhkan operasi kecil. Dia membutuhkan pertolongan pertama. Dia membutuhkan tidur malam yang nyenyak.
A heart attack, pneumonia, tuberculosis, yellow fever, the flu, a contagious disease, a serious illness. My uncle had a heart attack last year. My uncle had pneumonia last year. My uncle had tuberculosis last year. My uncle had yellow fever last year. My uncle had the flu last year. My uncle had a contagious disease last year. My uncle had a serious illness last year.
Serangan jantung, pneumonia, tuberkulosis, sakit kuning, flu, penyakit menular, penyakit serius. Paman saya mengalami serangan jantung tahun lalu. Paman saya menderita pneumonia tahun lalu. Paman saya menderita TBC tahun lalu. Paman saya menderita sakit kuning tahun lalu. Paman saya terkena flu tahun lalu. Paman saya menderita penyakit menular tahun lalu. Paman saya menderita penyakit serius tahun lalu.
A heart specialist, an ear, nose and throat specialist, a surgeon, a general practitioner. They had to call in a heart specialist. They had to call in an ear, nose and throat specialist. They had to call in a surgeon. They had to call in a general practitioner.
Dokter spesialis jantung, spesialis THT, ahli bedah, dokter umum. Mereka harus memanggil spesialis jantung. Mereka harus memanggil spesialis THT. Mereka harus memanggil ahli bedah. Mereka harus memanggil dokter umum.
Doctor, dentist, nurse, psychiatrist, veterinarian. What did the dentist say? What did the doctor say? What did the nurse say? What did the psychiatrist say? What did the veterinarian say?
Dokter, dokter gigi, perawat, psikiater, dokter hewan. Apa yang dikatakan dokter itu? Apa yang dikatakan dokter gigi itu? Apa yang dikatakan perawat itu? Apa yang dikatakan psikiater itu? Apa yang dikatakan dokter hewan itu?
Get plenty of exercise, stay indoors more. Get outdoors more, drink plenty of liquids, take better care of myself. The doctor advised me to get plenty of exercise. The doctor advised me to stay indoors more. The doctor advised me to get outdoors more. The doctor advised me to drink plenty of liquids. The doctor advised me to take better care of myself.
Banyak berolahraga, lebih banyak tinggal di dalam rumah, lebih banyak keluar rumah, minum banyak cairan, jaga diri lebih baik. Dokter menyarankan saya untuk banyak berolahraga. Dokter menyarankan saya untuk lebih banyak tinggal di dalam rumah. Dokter menyarankan saya untuk lebih sering keluar rumah. Dokter menyarankan saya untuk minum banyak cairan. Dokter menyarankan saya untuk merawat diri saya lebih baik.
Pale, rundown, worried and nervous, anemic, pale and tired. The doctor said I look pale. The doctor said I look rundown. The doctor said I look worried and nervous. The doctor said I look anemic. The doctor said I look pale and tired.
Pucat, kecapean, khawatir dan gugup, anemia, pucat dan lelah. Dokter bilang aku terlihat pucat. Dokter bilang aku terlihat kecapean. Dokter bilang aku terlihat cemas dan gugup. Dokter bilang saya terlihat kurang darah. Dokter bilang aku terlihat pucat dan lelah.
Cigarettes, cigars, my pipe, so many cigarettes. If I want to be healthy, I have to stop smoking cigarettes. If I want to be healthy, I have to stop smoking cigars. If I want to be healthy, I have to stop smoking my pipe. If I want to be healthy, I have to stop smoking so many cigarettes.
Rokok cerutu pipa saya, merokok terlalu banyak. Jika saya ingin sehat, saya harus berhenti merokok. Jika saya ingin sehat, saya harus berhenti merokok cerutu. Jika saya ingin sehat, saya harus berhenti merokok pipa. Jika saya ingin sehat, saya harus berhenti merokok terlalu banyak.
Smoking, drinking to excess, not getting enough sleep. The physician said smoking is harmful to my health. The physician said drinking is harmful to my health. The physician said drinking to excess is harmful to my health. The physician said not getting enough sleep is harmful to my health.
Merokok, minum berlebihan, kurang tidur. Dokter mengatakan merokok berbahaya bagi kesehatan saya. Dokter mengatakan minum berbahaya bagi kesehatan saya. Dokter mengatakan minum berlebihan berbahaya bagi kesehatan saya. Dokter mengatakan kurang tidur berbahaya bagi kesehatan saya.
A mosquito bite, an insect bite, a little heat rash, a slight infection, a minor burn, a mild cold. It's just a mosquito bite. There's nothing to worry about. It's just an insect bite. There's nothing to worry about. It's just a little heat rash. There's nothing to worry about. It's just a slight infection. There's nothing to worry about. It's just a minor burn. There's nothing to worry about. It's just a mild cold. There's nothing to worry about.
Gigitan nyamuk, gigitan serangga, sedikit ruam panas, infeksi ringan, luka bakar ringan, pilek ringan. Itu hanya gigitan nyamuk. Tidak ada yang perlu dikhawatirkan. Itu hanya gigitan serangga. Tidak ada yang perlu dikhawatirkan. Ini hanya sedikit ruam panas. Tidak ada yang perlu dikhawatirkan. Itu hanya infeksi ringan. Tidak ada yang perlu dikhawatirkan. Ini hanya luka bakar ringan. Tidak ada yang perlu dikhawatirkan. Ini hanya pilek ringan. Tidak ada yang perlu dikhawatirkan.
That's the end of the lesson. Please be kind enough as to subscribe, like and share this link to others. Thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.